In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Over here. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to normal keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. To paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on one of your added sentences that you wish to pin and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, tap on the pen again, select a sentence and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!